ever read a document and you thought to yourself, is this person trying to use every big word that they know? Because I have no idea what's being said here. My name's MJ Hurley. I'm an executive consultant here at Hurley Write. And a lot of our clients struggle with this very problem. Writers aren't skilled enough to know what readers want and how to project ideas, so they try to make it sound as advanced as possible, as smart as possible, as professional as possible. But the problem is readers often don't want this. In fact, research has supported that lots of times readers are turned off by overly complex language or even overly complex ideas. Our goal as a writer is to explain ideas simply so readers can use them. We often get in this habit of trying to sound advanced and trying to sound smart, and we end up writing not for the reader, but we end up writing for ourselves. We want to appear as intelligent. We want to appear as brilliant. And so what we try to do is we use the wrong strategy to try to convince readers of these things, but then readers often don't pay attention and don't do what we need them to do. So what we want you to start thinking about is, how do I explain ideas simply? How do I explain ideas in a really easy and clear way so that readers can actually use them? Let's not try to bog them down with the biggest words that we know, so they'll be impressed by our use of language. Hopefully this was helpful, and let us know if you'd like to see more tips like this. My name is MJ Hurley. Thanks for sharing.